Welcome from Australian Waterproofing Company. I am Gary, one of the waterproofing technicians. We would like to introduce to you one of our unique products, the Glass Deck External Traffiable Membrane System. A leaking balcony is one of the most common complaints from homeowners, and it is hard to find the correct advice to fix this type of water ingress issue. Plus, the costs involved with removing and replacing tiles can be heartbreaking. Well, we have got a solution for you. Using our revolutionary Glass Deck membrane system, we can waterproof directly over the tiles, concrete, or compressed cement sheet. We start by cleaning your balcony, preparing it for our 5-coat membrane system. First coat is our specially formulated primer. Second and third coats is our flexible membrane. Fourth coat is our recycled glass coating. And the final coat is a UV stable wear coat for extra strength. Once the membrane is installed, our uniquely formulated recycled glass coating looks fantastic. It is a UV stable and hard-wearing, non-slip coating. So call us today to get your leaking balcony repaired. www.waterproofing.melbourne or call 0431 606 905.